Hello everybody. Well, this is my first video. Be gentle. I will get better, I promise. I was in the entertainment business for many years as a singer, and then I started to play the keyboard to accompany myself, teaching singing and piano accompaniment in music schools here in Florida. I sold everything, my apartment, my car, and now I want to convert my Pro Master 2500 159 wheelbase into a music workplace. I will be traveling in it, entertaining and giving my lessons online. Another thing I would like to do also are satsang. I don't know if you know about this word. This word really means spiritual gatherings, and to try to guide and point people into discovering the place of seeing. You have it, it's just you need to be awakened to see it. Don't worry, it's not a religion, it's not a, you don't have to meditate to do it, you don't have to do anything. You just need to be somewhere, no distraction, you just need to be aware of it. And this will bring you joy. This will bring you peace, like space. You will be so spiritually free. All the life's happenings will be sort of like a movie, and you will be sort of the screen. So all this shouldn't affect you. When you are aware of your place of seeing, there is no way you can be in a depression or sad or anything, because everything will pass. So you don't have to stress. I'm just here to help and live a better and happier life. On my YouTube channel that will be called Vanlife TC's Coastal Adventures, those videos will be about traveling all the coasts. Starting with the East Coast from Florida all the way to Canada to Prince Edward Island, Gaspésie. I'm going to go down to Montreal, go all the way west after, and do all the west coast down to Mexico, and then up again to Del Rey. That's what I'd like to do. And in the meantime, follow me, because I will show you little hidden places, artsy places, beautiful, cute cafes. So I will be hanging out with locals to get to know all these places. So it's going to take a while. I'll be there about 2-3 days before I get to see what's going on. I will film almost everything that is useful for you, of course. Get into nature. I will stop at every state park. That's what I will do. I'm excited to start this journey so much. I will show you what I did and convert my Pro Master step by step, one thing at a time, all in order. Quarantine time to do the research about this. That's what really brought me into taking the big decision. Before I go and finish this video, I ordered my bed. I slept in it. It's been 3 days now and very comfortable, but I will buy like a 2 or 3 inch foam. You don't dirty it too much. Even if it has a zipper and you can wash it. Also, the cushions have zippers. If you're interested in it, if you like the idea, all the links will be in the description for you guys. I will show you how it works. It's very simple. Look, all you need to do is this. So to transform it as a bed, it's not complicated like all these other beds. It's 30 inches wide. A 6-foot guy could easily, and they have more colors. And look, you can adjust, so you can use it as a chaise, as a bed, and as a sofa. Let me introduce you quickly to Blue Blue. Yes, Blue Blue will be coming with me. Oh yes, he's gonna, and his friend. I will have both of them come along. I will have both of them with me in the van at all times. All right, I'm going to show, whoop! He cannot really, you know, look. He's so cute. All right. So you can go now. The second thing that I bought already before I get the van are my fans. First of all, I wanted to make sure to have them on time. MaxxFan Deluxe. Why? Because it has a screen for the bugs, and I have two like this. I'm going to put them at the extremity of the cargo area, and I'll always have circulation air all the time, even when it rains. See how very low profile this thing is? You can open it during the day, and when it rains, the sensor just close it automatically, or you can close it yourself with the remote. This is the remote that comes with it, and there's a booklet how to install them, and it's pretty good. This is the first thing I'm going to do when I get the van. And also I ordered my 3 solar panels, 200 watts each solar panels, that I will put on top of my van, because I decided to go with 24 volt system in my van. I did some research, and it's pretty much the best thing you could do with a big battery bank, lithium phosphate, something. I will show them to you when I get them anyways. On to you are getting your van, get the stuff already. Order the fridge to try it. I already ordered the insulation. The insulation is thin insulate 1600 by 3M. So I ordered it. I'm going to get it only the 17th of June. I will clean the floors. I will put a Rust-Oleum primer, and I will put a Rust-Oleum paint when everything is almost done, you know, like even the electricity. And then I will insulate the floor with a little piece of wood that I will put in the ribs, and some very rigid foam over it, and then a subfloor of a ½ inch plywood treated, you know, just in case. And I will put on the floor just vinyl that looks like wood, just a plain sheet of vinyl. I don't want any trouble with that. I don't want any crevasses where water could go in. So I will really seal this very well. All this will be documented, and you will see what I do at each step by step. So it's going to be very easy for you. If you decide to do this, what do I do first? You will know, and you will know how to do it. And you will know that if you're not an electrician, it's better to hire one. And a plumber also. So when you have an expert doing the electricity and the plumbing, your van will insure a lot better. Okay? So for now, I will leave you on this, and I really thank you for listening to me. I don't know if you went all the way to the end, but I will edit whatever is not good on this thing all the time. So when you watch my video, you won't waste and so and whatever. I really want you to listen to the videos and really learn about them. Okay? See you later, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you on Vanlife TC's Coastal Adventure with Blue Blue